Aloha everybody! Today I'm going to teach you my favorite Hawaiian dish, a poke bowl. It was originally made with either tuna or octopus and was marinated with anything that was at hand. Here are the ingredients that I like to use in my poke bowl. Tuna, shredded carrots, edamame, rice, and sliced cucumber. For my sauce, I like to use mayo, sriracha, and soy sauce. Let your senses guide you in the amounts you want to use. Now, all that is left to do is to put everything together. Why I like this meal? Because it's so simple and you can experiment with it. And also, you can make it as spicy as you want. I really like it spicy, but some people like it not that spicy, like a mild spicy. And there you have your poke bowl. Before I let you guys go, I'm gonna tell a quick joke. Which friends do you take to a dinner? Your taste buds.